Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to measure temperature with the help of your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to unlock our watch and then swipe up and go to the Google Play Store. Here, click on this search bar and type in Thermocheck 365D. Here, you'd be able to find this app and then click on it and click Install. So after the application have downloaded, click on this blue button Open. And here we have two categories that we can measure. First one is living and the second one is water temperature measuring. So let's go to the living. And as a next step, we can choose what type of measurement we would like to do. A one time or a real time, which will measure the temperature continuously. So let's choose one time, and here we can see categories as basic, metal, plastic, wood, and water surface. I will choose basic, and as a next step, we will cut instructions how to do the measurement right. We will need to take off our watch, then move watch 2 centimeters from object, and here we need to click check. Then I will lift my watch and then click check one more time. Here we would need to allow Thermocheck to access sensor data about our vital signals. We need to choose while using app. And now click on this gray button to start the measurement. And as you can see, the temperature of this flat surface is 25 degrees. And that's it. Now we can go home and do even more measurements. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.